Subject Object-Oriented Software Engineering. Project title Medical Representative Reporting System. Submitted by roll number 96 and roll number 104. Guided by Professor P.M. Jadhav Sir, Faculty of Technology, CE Department, DDU. Main goal of our project is to create ease of communication between the medical representative and the manager of any pharmaceutical company. Main two functionalities are the creating and the approving or reviewing the reports and the schedules. The medical representative will create the schedule of the which cities he is going to visit for in the future from particular date to the another particular date, and that schedule will be submitted to the manager will look at the schedule, and if he find anything he want to change, then he will change it, and after that he will approve it. That change portion will again updated at the medical representative side. After the schedule is ready, a medical representative will visit the doctor on the particular day, and at the end of the day he will create the report that which doctor he visited throughout the day, and that report again submitted to the manager, and the manager will approve that schedule. Here the register, when we click login or register, here the registration page, and here the main admin once who gives the job to the manager will create this manager, and he will assign the manager the region that he has under control, either central Gujarat or North Gujarat, Saurashtra, South Gujarat. So I already created one manager which is under the working in central Gujarat. So I will log in. So manager has a capability of creating the new medicine, update medicine, then adding the new MR under his control, under his rule, assigning the locality to that newly added MR, and then confirming the schedule and viewing the report. First add the medicine. In the drug section, we select the drugs that medicine contains. So I will select this to medicine drugs. Here we have to add the weight in the milligram. Paracetamol 100 mg, albendazole 10 mg, and you can see the medicine is successfully created. Here if we want to update the medicine, we can update. Now you can see that medicine is updated, and if you want to delete that, things is deleted, medicine newly added medicine is deleted. Now here the manager can add the new MR under his rule. New MR is assigned, and now that newly added medical representative, we assign the locality, district that he going to work under that. So here we assign Anand and the Kheda district to that newly added medical representative. Here we log in as the new MR which we added. Here the medical representative can create the schedule from the 4th May to 9th May. He's going to visit Nadiad, Anand, then Thakur, Thasra, Vaso, Kapadvanj. Okay, that schedule is submitted to the manager. Now the manager can view the schedules. You can see that new schedule. Raj has created a schedule for the 4th to 9th May, and it's currently not approved. So if you click on that, we can see that he selected Kapadvanj. But if you want to change, don't visit Kapadvanj, visit the master. Then after we approve that and update that. So another side, if the medical representative see that it is now updated to the Kapadvanj to the master. Now MR can create a report after the visiting. Let's say on the 5th May he visited Anand, and in Anand he visited these two doctors. So he created a report, and for the 5th May successfully report is created and it is submitted to the manager. So the manager can see the report of his representative. Like he selected the which medical representative he want to look at the report. So this one, then he will select the date of the 5th May 2020. Raj has visited the Anand and this to doctor. Currently the approved status is false, so we approve it and it's become true. While creating this project, we used the singleton design pattern for the database instance. We create a single instance and pass to the different form component. We also did some testing on the CRUD operation. All the tests are successful. While creating this project, we use the design principles like creating the interface before creating any class. We understand the importance of the design principle. In the future, if we want to update anything or if we want to extend any functionality, then these design principles are heavily useful, and we totally understand that. Thank you.